Hello everybody, welcome back. These are the colours I'm going to be using today, all fluorescents, and they are actually pretty thick. So I'll have a different type of port that I'm going to do today, and I'm hoping it's going to turn out well. And what I'm using is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I'm just putting my gloves on quickly. And the funny thing about these gloves is that you've either got too many fingers or too few fingers. I'm going to go ahead and layer my paints, and I'll speed it up so you guys don't get bored. First I'll start with showing you the first layer that I'm going to do. I might go in with a bit more. You do need quite a few layers with this. And I'll go in with some purple. So I just really want it to be sitting on the top. Probably the best thing to do would just be to layer it like this. Right, that should be enough paint. It does take a little while though. I'm just going to put some paint down. Now, white is very thin, just because I need to use it to glide. So I'm not terribly worried about the colour that will come out. Just really getting some paint down. I might use some of this pink as well. All of that to the edges. Okay, I'm not terribly worried about doing the other corners because probably won't need too much there. Right. Let's get started. I think this might end up very, very psychedelic. at those beautiful colours in there. Okay. Oh, I really like this actually. I think what I'm going to do is, before I go off the side, because I really like the orange, I might actually dump some paint off this side. And then go off the side here. I think I might have lost some of the orange, but it's okay. Okay, I really love this. It's different. Okay, so I just want to come back a little bit this way. Wow. That is pretty. Okay guys, I'm going to give this a quick torch and then I'll bring you in to have a look. Some really nice and interesting things going on here. I am so happy with this ball. That's very pretty. I can imagine this on a larger scale. Now, it's just going to take a lot of time to layer the paint on a much larger scale. Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in to have a look. So I absolutely love this. the effects that I've got here is just so gorgeous. There's so much going on. I'm not sure if you can see this. It looks like all sorts of different shapes and different, you know, cells. And that there is just beautiful the way it just blends in like that. So I haven't used any silicone or any other products. Floetrol is pretty much the same. 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And it just turned out so beautifully. I would imagine that these cells are actually from the effects of the number one would be the way I've poured it, and also the fluorescent paint. So that's really turned out beautifully. It's a bit trippy, but I like it. Get that there. All that orange and goldish colour, and I didn't put any gold, it's just the orange and the green, I think, that's done that. And that part over there as well. It's really interesting. Excuse the shadow here again. It's from my door. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and it's very, very nice and bright. Maybe you can see that section a bit better now that I'm standing in the light, blocking the light. Very interesting. Well guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.